Welcome back to new video. If you are getting this type of HEVC extension error while opening a video, this video helps to fix the error. Let's fix. First of all, open browser and type HEVC video extension download, click on the first website. Scroll down, you will see a download button, click on it. Once download completes, open the downloaded file. Now you can open the video without error. I hope this solution fixed the error. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.